Children, here it is the relationship between LCM and HCF. Okay, the relation between LCM and HCF. Okay, product of LCM and HCF of two numbers equal to the product of the two numbers. Okay, product of LCM and HCF. Product means how to get LCM into HCF. Product means you have to multiply, then you get the product. Product of LCM and HCF means, product means you have to multiply LCM and HCF. This product is equal to the product of the two numbers. Product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. This is the relationship between LCM and HCF of the two numbers. Okay, LCM into HCF equal to the product of two numbers, or product of LCM and HCF of two numbers equal to the product of the two numbers. Okay, this formula you have to remember. Based on this formula only we are going to learn the problems. Okay, LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Remember this formula, all of you. Okay, children, here it is exercise 3.6. First bit is find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers. Check their relationship. We have learned the relationship between LCM and HCF. Relationship between LCM and HCF is product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of the two numbers. Okay, product of LCM and HCF means LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Okay, here find the LCM. First we have to find the LCM of 15 and 24. Okay. First to find the LCM of 15 and 24. LCM, for finding LCM we have two methods, prime factorization method and division method. Here we are following the division method. Here 15, 24 are divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24. Okay, here 5 and 8 are not divisible by any same table. So we have to divide this 8 with 2. 5 is not divisible. So 5 write as it is. 8 goes 4 times. 2 4s are 8. Now again 4 is divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible. So write as it is. 4 goes 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Now what are the 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2. Otherwise if you stop here also no problem. Why? Because here 5 and 8 are not divisible by any same table. So multiply these three numbers, then also we get the LCM. Okay, here 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2. That product is the LCM of the given two numbers. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 16. 62s are 120. 120 is the LCM of 15 and 24 equal to 120. Next, and HCF. What we have to find next? HCF. Okay, HCF of 15 and 24. HCF of 15 and 24 we have to find. For finding the HCF of the given two numbers or three numbers, again we have two methods. First one is the prime factorization method and second one is the continued division method. We follow the continued division method. So with the small number you have to divide the big number. Big number is 24. 24 we have to divide with 15. In 24, 15 goes one time. 15 ones are 15. Now do the subtraction. 4 minus 5 not possible. Borrow. Carries 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 minus 5 9. Here how much remains? 1. 1 minus 1 0. Left side extreme position. 0 means meaningless. So no need to write. Here how much? Remainder is the 9. Okay. Remainder is 9. Now this remainder you have to consider as the divisor. So with this divisor you have to divide the first divisor 15. Okay, in 15 9 goes one time. 9 ones are 9. 15 minus 9 6. We got remainder 6. Again you have to continue the division until you get remainder 0. Again here remainder is 6. So this remainder you have to consider as the divisor. And then this divisor is 9 becomes the dividend. This 9 you have to divide with 6. In 9 6 goes one time. 6 ones are 6. Subtraction 9 minus 6 it is 3. Again this 3 remainder considered as the divisor and this divisor you have to take as the dividend. Okay. Now in 6 3 goes 2 times 3 2s are 6. Now we get remainder 0. Okay. Wherever you get remainder 0 that divisor is called the HCF of the given numbers. Okay. Like this you have to continue the division until you get remainder 0. Okay. Now HCF of 15 and 24 is 3. Okay. HCF we got 3 and LCM we got 120. Find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers. Up to date completed. Next, check their relationship. Check their relationship. Relationship. What is the relationship between LCM and HCF? LCM into HCF is equal product of two numbers. Okay, LCM into HCF is equal product of two numbers. This relation you have to check. Now LCM. LCM is equal how much we got? 120 into HCF. HCF is how much? 3. Okay, in this relationship, this is a relationship between LCM and HCF. You have to substitute. LCM is 120 into write as it is. HCF is 3. So in place of HCF write 3. That is equal to the product of two numbers. What are the two numbers given in the question? 15 and 24. So 15 into 24. Okay. At the LHS you have to find the product. And at the RHS also you have to find the product. Must and should you have to get LHS equal to RHS. Okay, here 120 into 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. LHS we got 360. Now RHS also you have to find the product. 24 15s are 15 4s are 60, 15 2s are 30 plus 6 36 360. Okay, at the RHS also we got 360. So 360 equal to 360. So verified. Okay. Okay, now here LCM into HCF is equal product of two numbers is the relationship between LCM and HCF. After getting the LCM and HCF, you have to substitute. In place of LCM substitute 120 and in place of HCF substitute 3. At the LHS we get 360. Then product of two numbers. The given two numbers in the question is 15 and 24. So multiply those two numbers we get 360. So LHS equal to RHS. That means it is checked. Okay, verified. Children, from our exercise 3.6, from the first bit your work is find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers. Check their relationship. Okay, here first problem already we solved now. So second problem is 8 25. Third one is 12 48. You have to find the LCM and HCF. After finding the LCM and HCF, you have to check the relationship. What is the relationship between LCM and HCF? LCM into HCF is equal product of the two numbers. That relationship you have to check after finding the LCM and HCF. Okay. These two problems you have to solve yourself.